and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's about something every shop faces but doesn't always think about: the temperature. It was the middle of summer, no AC in the shop, machines running hot all day. We were machining a batch of parts with a tight true position call out on a hole. Parts came off the mill, went straight into inspection, and the CMM said they were out of tolerance. Not by much, but enough to fail. Naturally, everyone thought it was offsets or tool wear. We double checked everything, same result. Parts still read bad. But after sitting in inspection for a while, they cooled down to room temperature. Suddenly, they all measured perfect, dead on. What happened? It was the heat. The shop was cooking, the machines were hot, and the parts were expanding just enough to throw off the measurement. By the time they stabilised, they were right where they should be. Lesson learned. Machining isn't just about the cut, it's about the environment. Temperature control can make the difference between scrap and inspect. Ever had a hot shop mess with your measurements? Drop your story in the comments. You're not the only one. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.